Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. So I'm gonna bring you some of my a view of some of my cuttings from my trees. And this is easy ways that if you just wanted to go ahead and either make some money selling some of the trees or you just wanted extra trees around, okay? So this is my Pakistani mulberry cutting. This is an everbearing mulberry cutting. Okay. This is another Pakistani mulberry cutting. Both of those. This is my sorrel. And this is I'll show you the tree in a second, but you know, from the Caribbean islands, they use these, and they make a certain special type of drink. And they put rum in it or whatever, wine or whatever they have in there. And they have that around Christmas time or special occasions. Okay, let me show you where the cutting's coming from. So this is the Pakistani mulberry. And this mulberry is supposed to be a very big mulberry, so I decided to take some cuttings. I'm about to put her into the ground because she grows very fast. This is the second time I've potted her this year. So I'm going to go ahead and place her inside the ground and just let her grow. Okay, and when you're planting this mulberry tree, you want to plant this mulberry tree away from other trees, and you don't want to buy any structures or fence. So I'm going to put it in the middle of my yard to give it plenty of room to grow. It can grow quite big, but I will continuously prune trees like I always do. I prune my trees so that they don't get too tall and I can reach the fruits. All right, I'm going to show you the other tree. And this right here, this is the sorrel. Okay, see how big she is? Now she grows pretty quickly, okay? So all you do is take a cutting off of her and go ahead and place it right on into the dirt. And there you go. That's however many trees you want to have if you want to make money selling those. Also, these are my mulberry. These are my American fruit trees right here. As you can see, these are from the seeds that fell off up here. So if I don't catch the berries quickly and they fall off, they sprout and they start making their own little trees. And I planted those separately. As you can see, I have 3 miracle fruit trees. This is what the miracle fruits look like. So sometimes they hide in there and I don't see them and they drop off and they make something, and I'll go ahead and plant those, right? Because of course that could be money or extra fruit trees if you want, however you see fit. This is another plant that grows very, very quickly, and it helps really ward off a lot of mosquitoes and snakes in my area. And this is the Cuban oregano, right? So all I do is take a piece off of that and stick it right into this dirt right here. Boom, there you go. That's how easy it is. And I do it over here. Boom, there you go, right? And then that helps with my tomatoes, so all kind of mites are not attacking my tomatoes. So that's what that Cuban oregano is for. Okay, bring you to one more tree. And this right here is a cranberry hibiscus right here. So this is another one that you can just go ahead and pinch off a limb and go ahead and stick it into the dirt. And there you can do it as many times as you want. And like I said, you could sell them or you can have more trees. So this is that ever-bearing mulberry tree, and that's where you see that little cutting right there. And as you can see, just look at the fruits on this tree. I mean, I cut it because I want this trunk to be nice and strong, and every time I cut it, it takes a matter of weeks, and the fruits are all over the tree. Very interesting mulberry tree. They taste very delicious. Also, I took this moringa tree right here. I chopped it and I put it right here. And look how it grew. So that's another tree that you can chop and place in the dirt. And there you go. And this right here is my ice cream bean tree right here. And it makes ice cream bean pods. This is a baby, so she hasn't made no pods yet. But look how big she is. And I took her cutting and I placed it right here. So I did that just a little while ago, and let's see what she does. Let me show you one more. Okay, that's my papaya tree right there. And this is the seedling of the papaya tree. If you notice, the seedling is growing just as fast as the main papaya tree. Crazy, isn't it? I mean, while I'm at it, I might as well show you one more. This right here is the banana tree. And I'm going to show you the pup from the banana tree. And this is the pup of the banana tree. Oh yes, I forgot. This is another cutting of the cranberry hibiscus. And as you can see, cranberry hibiscus. As you can see, I chopped it all up because I want it to be thick right here. So I went ahead and chopped that up. As you can see, I have the pollinator plants right here in this area, right by the Barbados cherry trees. So this is going to conclude this video right here. Just wanted to show you how you can just save yourself some money and get one plant and go ahead and use the cuttings and make plenty other plants in your yard. And you can save a lot of money. And I get a lot of my plants from the flea market, you know, for very, very cheap prices. Okay, so, you know, go to your neighborhood flea markets. At least over here in Central Florida, we have a whole lot of them. And, you know, try them out and see what they do. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and share with your friends. And any questions or comments, you could go ahead and put them down below. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.